It seems to me na tama ang hinala ko na itong si Bongbong Marcos actually doesn't want to govern. Ayaw niyang mamahala, Admar. He just wants to be there for the perks, the privileges, and the fact that another Marcos has become a president, no? Probably thinking na pag na-elect siya ay ma-redeem na yung nasirang pangalan ng tatay niya. Pero ayaw niyang mag-govern, ayaw niyang mamahala, ayaw niya talaga na to do the most painful and very hard policy decisions. So kaya ngayon, sa tingin niya, mali siya for the last 3 years, ginagawa niya ito probably to appease the voters because mind you, yung turnout ng local absentee voters, no? Grabe, Admar, no? Yung local absentee voters is composed of our military and uniformed personnel, AFP, PNP, mga teachers, and some journalists and media practitioners. Overwhelmingly, ang binoto ng local absentee voting of about 57,000 voters ay Duterte plus 2, plus Busita, plus Kerubin. Ni isang alyansa wala doon. That is a very telling message. That is a very, very poignant message to this administration na mismo ang mga trabahante sa gobyerno na hindi makalabas sa kanilang mga sentimento for fear of reprisal and retribution by the leadership of this government, pinakita yung kanilang totoong sentimento doon sa kanilang mga balo-balota. Yun siguro ang isa sa mga mensahe na tinitingnan ni Bongbong Marcos at narinig niya yun. And I doubt with the next 3 years, lalong-lalo na with the impeachment of BP Sara getting traction and would probably be discussed during the last few session days of the 19th Congress, ewan ko if Bongbong Marcos will still have the political capital and the political grit, no, to affect whatever changes that he wants to doon sa kanyang kabinete. Of course, sino ba naman? Courtesy resignation ka, therefore magko-courtesy resignation ka. Second, it's another question, it's another thing kung tatanggapin ba ng Pangulo yung kanyang ang courtesy resignation mo. Pangatlo, sino yung ipapalit at mayroon bang willing na to step up? Just three years, no, barely into this administration's last 3 years nga.